Give it the sauce, man. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video today. Here we have Kyle's 1998 Pontiac Transam. It's WS6, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I don't know nothing about these Transams, but you do, because you own nothing but Transams. He's a big Chevy guy. But yeah, so tell me about this thing. What's up with it?
Well,
I see you got a small tire on the rear. This Micky Thompson.
Yeah, it's Micky Thompson DT Street Order. Restore Industries 15x10. So, kick back here with the car. It's 98 Pontiac Transam WS6. It's one of about 500 or so produced in black with gray interior as an automatic WS6. The car does have quite a few upgrades, 7-inch Alpine touchscreen, built transmission, B&M shifter, aluminum drive shaft, UMI suspension, BMR suspension, a bit of everything.
What's the transmission good for?
Transmission, drive shaft are both good for 800 horse.
Are you ever going to get there?
Absolutely. The car has a 416 stroker in the works, being built for it, currently running on a stock LS1 with a little bit of simple intake mods. Makes a little over 300 tire currently with this tune. But like I said, that'll be soon to change with the 416.
Yeah, well, 300 is enough to have fun with. You want to pop the hood real quick? We can take a look underneath it.
I forgot to mention the car is 75,000 miles. So another rarity out of the car.
Yeah, that's pretty low miles for a 98. It's nice. What is this, LS1?
LS1, SOP intake, smooth bellow upgrades, has a coolant bypass throttle body, full exhaust, 3-inch long tubes, MSD wires, NGK plugs, Texas speed wide pipe, high flow cats, and SOP loudmouth all stainless front to rear.
Nice. So you have a nice amount of mods done to it so far.
Yeah, AC delete, emissions delete as well.
He's actually building, what year's your other one?
99.
A 99 Transam, and you're building that to what? That's going to be full race car.
Yeah, full out, no prep racing.
How much do you want to try to get out of that one?
Looking to make about 1600 horse out of that car. It's going to be super light, work super well.
Nice. I'm going to be excited for that one. We're going to have to do a video.
Absolutely.
Here in a year once that's done. But alright guys, now we're going to jump into everybody's favorite part of the video. We're going to do a walk around with the stabilizer on this. Try to get some good shots. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Turn on that bell for the notifications. And alright, let's jump into this part. Such a long door frame. Thing's like 6 foot long.
Yep.
we're shooting this part, we got the windows up, AC on low. Well, not today. It's like 90 degrees out. Thank God it's a little bit overcast, but we'll be all right. All right, guys. He said he's gonna spray the tires down with some cleaner because they're too hot right now. So it's not gonna do a burnout, but we're gonna do a freaking burnout. See if it does a burnout or if it just hooks on these Micky Thompsons. How torquey V8s are.
Yeah.
He's not satisfied with that burnout, but you guys, you got to remember that this thing is on radials, and it only makes about what, a little over 300 to the wheel.
It's set up to bite.
Yeah, it's set up to hook. But we're gonna try another one right here. Well, that one just hooked. No burnout with that. That was a good bite though.
That's what it's designed to do.
Yes sir, that torque felt amazing right off when it just hooked like that. Really puts you back in your seat for about the first 5 seconds. So why are you so into Transams? What made you want to buy this car?
Truthfully, I wasn't that big into these cars when I bought my first one, when I bought my 99.
And after that, I guess he kind of just fell in love. Is that right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It was time capsule, set you back in the day, kind of brought me back a little bit of my childhood growing up in a 79 Camaro, and just took off from there.
Well, heck yeah. Oh man, we've done donuts out in these fields before. In the middle of snowstorms. What are your future plans for the car? Like kind of, you know, where would you want the power to be at? Level, like power level.
As we spoke, you know, I'm putting together a 416 stroker. It'll be on E85, naturally aspirated. I just want that old school, nasty cam, more cubic inch. Looking to put close to 700 down at the tire, naturally aspirated. We'll have a whole different trans rear end combo at that point. And surprisingly, the car will go on air. At that point, it'll just be a real nice street cruiser, AC, heat, stereo, everything. Be nice, good looking street show car.
That would be pretty sweet whenever you get it all done. I mean, once you get it all done at that point, we'll just, you know, we'll go ahead and review it again.
Absolutely.
Take it for another ride along.
Yeah, it'd be a whole new animal at that point. It'd be really wild.
That'll be a fun build. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I'm sorry if it was a short one, but I have to work tonight, so kind of had to get this one done in a decent amount of time. But big thanks to my buddy Kyle here for giving me a ride along in his 98 Trans Am. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on that bell button for notifications. But we'll see you guys next time. Peace.